What up guys, how are you guys doing? I'm Talis and we're back with another how to slice. In today's how to slice video, we're going to be checking a awesome skate park. So let's go. So this is the quarter pipe Funbox. As you can see, this is a really nice model to print, and in this video, we're going to be checking out the best print settings to print it. So let's go. So first off, as you can see, we got multiple ports. Let's start off with this one. So all of the print settings that we're going to use, we're going to be printing at all of the parts. So we're going to be printing at a 0.2 millimeter layer height. We do not need to reduce this value, so we can get a good quality print and a fast one. Going over here to perimeters, we're going to be printing this at 3 perimeters, just so we can get a solid and rigid print. Going over to infill, we're going to be increasing to 10%. This is perfect. And we're going to be printing, let's analyze actually if this model needs brim. So as you can see, the only parts that do not have the best surface of contact to the build plate are the rails. So we have printed this and it does not need any brim, but if you have some adhesion issues and your prints tend to unstick from the build plate, I do recommend a lot cleaning your build plate with some isopropyl alcohol or detergent just to remove all of the dust and oils from your finger. That will impact a lot the bad adhesion. So make sure you always clean and make sure that your printer is well calibrated and has a good, it's really well leveled to make sure you have a good first layer of print. Make sure that your Z offset is not too high. So you do not need any brim for this model at all. But if you feel, if you're not comfortable with it, I will recommend adding a little bit of brim so you can be removing afterwards, but feel free to do so. Over here in support material, this model does not need any support material because it's optimized for printing, and on speed, we can be printing at your standard print speed, especially for Bevel Lab printers, so we do not need to reduce any of this value. So this is quite fine. Now we're ready to slice, and we can be printing all of the models in this exact system configuration, print configuration. So as you can see, we have slice and it's gonna print quite nicely. We do not need any support because this overhang right here, your printer can print perfectly fine. So it's gonna take 4 hours and 38 minutes to print. Let's go back, and if we take a look, we can be printing all of the other parts at the same configuration. Let's just put, let me just show you what it looks like to print this corner right here. So as you can see, we have sliced both of the ramps right here, so they're gonna print perfectly fine. So with all of the layers, it's gonna print nicely and do the overhang quite fine. So it's going to look a really nice print. It's gonna take 10 hours and 8 minutes to print. Make sure you grab a really nice filament and print this model right now. So the models are ready to print. Make sure you check out stlflix.com for more models like this one, and I'll see you in another one.
I hope you guys enjoy it. Those slicing videos are an initiative from STL Academy, which is the educational project from STLFlix. So if you guys want to learn more about 3D printing, you could check our description and look at STL Academy courses. And don't forget, see you guys at the next slicing.